चोयता आसतलें की ज्या पद्दतीन आज हे सेशन चलता खास करून दिस इज द लिस्ट ऑफ बिझनेस आनी ह्या लिस्ट ऑफ बिझनेसान टुडे देर वर टू कॉलिंग अटेन्शन्स. One was of the ruling, one was of the opposition. But when that one came by of the opposition, you can see that the way today the honorable speaker, it is his rule किती सांगता about calling attention. Rule number 63 says that a member desiring to call the attention of a minister to any matter of urgent importance shall give notice in duplicate of such a matter by 10 a.m. to the secretary. The secretary shall send one copy of the notice to the minister concerned. If the speaker gives his consent to the said matter being raised, it shall be done after the question and before the list of business is entered. So, ejer clear raha. Today the topic was on rents. Daily लोग ज्या पद्धतीन मोता, very very serious topic. This government does not want to listen to topics that are showing the failure of this government. आणि मुखेलमंत्री हांव सांगता की मुखेलमंत्री आतां हावजांनी सांगलां तें दोळ मारपा बंद करूं. थिंगा तो द स्पीकर इज द कस्टोडियन. वेन द स्पीकर आस्क्ड मी टू स्पीक द चीफ मिनिस्टर सेज नो आई कांट स्पीक. द मिनिस्टर गिव्स सम अदर एक्सप्लेनेशन वेन इट इज very very clear कि calling attention once it is been admitted, notice prior to that goes to the minister. He should be aware. The secretary legislature has already told them. So हुईना हुई चोयल्यार ही सारकी घात करपाक it is a हत्या of a democracy. Very sorry state of affairs. And my baila, when we go to raise our voices, this is what they are doing with a brute measure. Never in the history of legislative assembly has something like this happened. The chief minister is व्हडलो बूक दाखयता हेडमास्टरा भाशेन बूक दाखयता तोच बूक आमी तेकाय दाखयलो. ह्या बुकान जें बरयलां त्याच पद्दतीन आमकां हिंगा क्वेश्चन मांडपाक जाय, आन्सर तुमी दिवपाक जाय, पूण सरकाराक पडोंक ना. दे आर ओन्ली लुकींग एट इजी वेज आउट. दे हॅव फेल्ड. खास करून सोकांच्या वेळार आनी एक मॅटर मुगेलें आशिल्लें विथ पर्टेनिंग टू सेस. And this cess matter was a very very important matter. It is a scam of thousands of crores of rupees. आज जेन्ना ते येवपाक आशिल्लें सेम प्रश्न मंत्रीन जे उत्तर दिल्लें तेच प्रश्न आज पोस्टपोन केला. सो हितून म्हाका दिसता जी हुकुमशाय ना ही हुकुमशाय, आनी ही हुकुमशाय म्हाका दिसता जरी तर ह्याच पद्दतीन चल्ल्यार म्हाका दिसता देर इज अ कंप्लिटली कॉन्स्टिट्युशनल क्रायसीस. द ऑनरेबल स्पीकर हू इज द कस्टोडियन शुड नॉट एक्ट on what the chief minister says. He is a neutral authority. It is a murder. That is what is happening today. आज जे शेल्टर होम मडगांवचे गांवांत और इकरा कोडे जे हे पड चलताय तेंय हांवें हायलायट केलें. थिंग म्हणून हांवलो ब्लॅकमेल कोताय 4 म्हयने जाले तांकां सॅलरी दिलना. एंड 150 people lives without house, persons with disability, senior citizen, all are involved. But हुईना हुई म्हाका दिसता this government is not serious in resolving this issue, only giving us whatever answers they are trying to do. So म्हाका दिसता you all can see, and through you all the people of Goa should know, we have were given 15 days. It is our right. Opposition is calling attention घेताय, ruling आची घेनाय. So this has never happened. It is unprecedented, and the way everything seems to be one-sided, but still we will fight for the rights of Goans.
सर ते स्ट्रीट प्रोविडन्साचेर तुमकां कितें एश्युरन्स मेळ्ळो?
द स्ट्रीट प्रोविडन्स ताणें सांगलां की हील ट्राय एंड रिजॉल्व इट. स्ट्रीट प्रोविडन्साचें मॅटर इतलें सिरियस आसा की दे हॅव गिवन अ नोटीस टुडे दॅट दे आर शटिंग डावन. इट्स कम इन द न्यूज पेपर. 31st August विल बी द लास्ट डे. एंड मुखेलमंत्री म्हणटा ते ब्लॅकमेल कोताय. आर दिस इज नॉट ब्लॅकमेल. दिस इज कॉस्ट ऑफ 150 lives. Where will they stay? Can you all accommodate them? Where you all will accommodate these people? So हे प्रश्न, and this is 8 years they are doing it. Did you send them a notice? Is anything on record that they are blackmailing? फक्त हे सांगप आनी वॉट म्हाका तरी दिसता हितू उरपाट आहा. They do not want to give it, or whether they are expecting something in when that money is given to this. This is another question mark that this government needs to answer.
Thank you, sir.